Hey there, quick review on this Lifetime outdoor deck box. Just finished putting this together. I purchased the 130 gallon unit and I think it's going to be fantastic for us. I went with the Lifetime brand because I've used a lot of their tables and chairs, and the quality on the plastic and build quality is great. This one definitely doesn't disappoint. It's very large. It's got a lot of space. We needed something outdoors to put our kids' play toys and balls in, and we've got a lot of space in this thing. The build quality is excellent, as you can see here. It's got a nice hinge system up top that keeps the door open, keeps the lid from slamming down on fingers, so that is excellent as well, and closes really nicely. Assembly is fairly simple. It did take me probably 15 minutes or so to put this together. They try to make it pretty easy on you. Basically, the side pieces come down and they notch into the bottom, and you slide it over, and these little pieces pop into place and connect everything together. It's a little bit tough getting the long front and back pieces in place, but then the side pieces pop right in just seconds. That's no big deal. Then you've got a little bit of time to put the hinge pieces on. Really just a matter of putting in a few screws and bolts. Pretty easy and straightforward to understand. And then I do like they have a metal rod that goes across the front here that kind of reinforces the lid and makes it nice and stiff. You also can lock the front here. If you want to put a padlock on that, you can. Overall, the quality of the build and the plastic is excellent. Again, Lifetime is a great brand name. It's not just some unknown junk company. This is the best of the best outdoor products. Lid works great, pops open, ton of storage space in here, and I think this is going to work really well for us. Here's a little bit closer view of the hinges. Again, we got steel in here. Everything's going to hold up really well. And then a nice steel reinforcement bar across the top. Opens and closes really well. You've got the ability to lock it if you need to.